welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the October Boxycharm box. It feels like a heavy one, so let's see what we have inside. Alright, so this is a $25 a month subscription box.
Don't cut your fingies.
I'm trying not to. Oh, Jason's here today!
Everybody clap.
Woohoo! I lied. It's $25 a month. And that's in American dollars. And this is what the inside of our box looks like. And the theme is candy shop. So cute, Jason singing.
Gonna take you to the candy shop. I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, that's
okay.
Best. Okay, so first item is a giant squeezy tube. Oh, it's a Murad product. I just ran out of my Murad eye cream. This is hydration, AHA, BHA exfoliating cleanser. We'll have a nice exfoliating cleanser. Safety seal. Just want to see how gritty it is. Oh, it's got a nice fine grit to it.
What's it smell like?
It doesn't smell like much. Light scent.
Yeah,
that's a nice big honking bottle of exfoliator though, so that's nice.
I can't wait to wash my face with that.
Well, maybe it's for your whole body.
Oh.
No, brighter, younger looking complexion. So yes, giant.
I need that.
You can use that.
I'm older looking, so.
Slough off the skin cells.
Yeah.
So that's item number 1. Next up from Spongele, Cherry Tonka Musk Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it's a body wash and buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. We're going to have very exfoliated, massaged skin.
Oh, so what is that thing?
Oh, it's definitely musky. Oh, you're going to like this smell.
What?
So it's just a big flour sponge.
Does it kind of disintegrate as you use it?
I don't know.
I do like that smell.
I thought you might.
Yeah. Cherry
Tonka Musk. Those are...
We have something that looks like that for our feet.
Yes, we do. It's shaped like a teardrop though, but it feels the same. That's item number 2. Okay, item number 3. It's from Alchemist. It is Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry and Barago. So I guess it's probably for your face. I like Alchemist J. That's the that blue squeezy exfoliator tube we have in the shower.
Oh, okay. This is the same stuff then?
Same brand.
Yeah.
Different. So that's what it looks like.
It's got one of those pokey end things.
It does have. You want pokey? I'm gonna squeeze it all over myself. There we go.
There you go. Oh,
I told you I was going to. I can't smell anything except for that body buffer. Does it have a smell?
No, I think it's lightly scented again. Do
it kind of smells like
berries have scents?
Kind of smells like 80s plastic. I can't remember the word. I haven't
plasticine.
Yeah, plasticine. I haven't even been a kid in that long. I can't remember the words.
Yeah. I used to eat that stuff.
Of course. Did you also eat glue?
Yeah.
I like to peel the glue. That was my favorite thing. Okay. But it kind of, does it have that smell? Like molding clay?
I'm a little bit stuffy. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, that was item number 3. Next up, we've got from Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupa, I don't know what that word is. Lip butter.
Is it?
Yes, the Cupa. It's got an accent. Capacao.
Sure.
I have no idea what that word is. But it is a lip butter.
Copaco.
Does it have a shade name?
Actually, with that accent, it's probably like an S sound at the end, so we probably just really butchered it.
Kupuausu?
Sure.
Kupuausu.
Yeah.
Sheer and buildable lip tint. Cushioning moisture for soft, luscious lips. And nourishing, whatever that is, butter. Oh, that's cute packaging. It's very nicely tinted. Let's see.
Is it lipstick? Yeah.
It's like a tinted lip gloss. So.
Okay, just like lightly.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a nice color.
You're already wearing some, aren't you?
Wearing a lipstick.
Put that.
Oh, it smells nutty.
Ooh, nutty.
Would you like to smell?
Oh wow, it does.
That must be a nut I've never heard of.
Or like the husk of a nut.
The husk of it.
Here. I don't mind the smell.
No, it's nice. It feels really nice on the lips too. So that is item number 4. Okay, and it looks like our final item, and it looks like it might be my favorite thing. An eyeshadow palette. Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed. And it is an eyeshadow palette, which you know is my favorite thing to get in these boxes.
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh, wow. Oh, those are not definitely my shades.
Why no mirror?
Sometimes they don't give you mirrors.
Okay.
It doesn't really have a smell, but they're really gorgeous colors.
A few glitter shades.
There's
I can't remember what the other ones are.
mattes.
Mattes.
There's
okay.
like 3 mattes and the rest are shimmer and glitters.
Shimmer. Okay.
So Yawning, Forehead Kisses, Pajamas, French Doors, Boo and a View, Messy Hair, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, and Lazy Baby.
Why is messy hair purple?
It's more brownish,
okay.
I think. Should we do some swatches?
Sure.
Let's do this matte. I never swatch mattes because I love the shimmers.
Should do it on the back of my hand because I have like the most weathered skin ever.
Okay, well, come over here and have a...
If it looks good on there, it'll look good on you for sure.
Oh, they're not very... They're not very...
You see all scarred up and weathered looking.
Yeah, they didn't swatch the greatest. You know
it
what?
might be the canvas.
I'm going to swatch one on my... I'll swatch 2 on my hand to see if there's a difference. And there's not really a difference. Well, maybe.
Well, the purple one.
Yeah, the shimmer showed up nicer on my skin.
Did you put that one on me? Yeah, that's this one here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It would be easier.
If you got skin that looks like that, I'd go see a doctor. But
Aw, babe. You're a hard-working man.
yes.
So that was our final item. Not the best. Can this smell like baked gooders or not? I'm not sure. Not the best quality, but, you know, it's our hand, not our eyes, so we'll have to test that out in real life. Now, should we pick our favorites based on what we've seen before we find out the prices?
Can I do it and then you do it?
I feel like it might... Like, if I know something's worth, like, a lot of money, I might prefer it.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, you go.
I like the cherry sponge thing. I like the lip balm because it smells good. These other 2 things here, I forget what they are.
Just knocking the light up.
The skincare products there. I like those, and then I just left the eyeshadow palette just because I wouldn't use it, you know?
You wouldn't?
No.
I never thought about that. For me, I think I'm going to go with the Murad because I love this brand, and then the eyeshadow palette because it's an eyeshadow palette. Then the lip tint, and then the moisturizer, and then this body buffer.
So that one's mine then.
Yeah,
nice.
I don't love the smell of it. It's a little musky.
You have to get used
for
to
me.
it. I'm wearing it.
Well, on you it would be fine.
Okay.
Should we get some prices?
Yeah.
So the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, $38. Wow.
38.
The Grown Alchemist matte balancing moisturizer, $69.
Wow, what's in there?
Gold.
Gold.
The Murad exfoliating cleanser is $40.
$40.
The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss lip butter is $20.
It's pretty pricey for a lip balm.
It is, yes. And the Spongele buffer is $20.
Is that everything?
That's everything.
Grand total?
Yes.
$187.
$187 for $25. That's not a bad deal at all.
Not a bad deal.
Yeah.
And the products are of the utmost quality.
They are. I really like Grown Alchemist and Murad are really good brands. And this is what makes this brand makes the Bum Bum Cream, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay.
And I think that I have another one of these eyeshadow palettes I got in a Boxycharm
You
last
can give
year.
it to some kids.
No, because it's different colors.
Oh, okay.
I could give it away to my nieces. Come on now. Yeah. Do we like this box?
I do, because I like the skincare products and I like that sponge.
Yeah, I like skincare and makeup. I like when there's either a lot of makeup or a nice combination of really good skincare products and makeup. So yeah, I'm pleased. I'm pleased. Yes. So thank you everyone for watching. And if you wouldn't mind liking the video, and you can subscribe by clicking here. And there should be more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And as always, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you.